In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then scroll down to Access Apps section. In it, click on Dual Apps and tap on Create at the bottom. Now tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case Opera Mini. Confirm your choice by choosing Turn On in the pop-up. Then wait. And as you can see, when I go back, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your cloned app, you can hold it and choose Uninstall, or access exactly the same settings and tap on blue switcher next to it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!